You check your bank account on the 28th of the month, and a familiar sinking feeling takes hold. The paycheck that felt so abundant 2 weeks ago has completely evaporated, absorbed by rent, utilities, groceries, and a dozen minor subscriptions. You had every intention of transferring a meaningful amount into your savings account this time, but the money is simply gone. This cycle of intending to save whatever is left over only to find nothing remains is a quiet source of chronic stress for millions of hardworking people. The traditional approach to managing money sets you up for this exact failure. We are taught to pay our bills, buy our necessities, enjoy a little discretionary spending, and then save the rest. But Parkinson's law, an economic adage, dictates that expenses will always rise to meet income. When you leave saving for the very end of your financial checklist, you are effectively telling your brain that your future security is the lowest priority on your list. Flipping this equation is where true financial empowerment begins. The concept of paying yourself first requires a fundamental restructuring of how cash flows through your household. Instead of waiting to see what survives the gauntlet of monthly expenses, you intercept a predetermined percentage of your income the moment it hits your account. You treat your future self as the most important bill you have, moving that money into a separate space before you ever have the chance to spend it. This immediate diversion of funds forces your lifestyle to naturally adjust to the remaining balance. If you earn $4,000 a month and immediately route $400 to savings, your daily household budget operates strictly on the remaining $3,600. You will instinctively make slightly different choices at the grocery store, skip the unnecessary online purchase, and adapt your standard of living without feeling deprived. The friction of saving is entirely removed from your day to day decision making. Implementing this strategy relies heavily on the power of automatic savings. You set up a recurring transfer with your bank or instruct your employer to split your direct deposit, sending a specific amount straight into a high yield savings account or investment portfolio. By automating the process, you eliminate the need for ongoing willpower. The money moves silently in the background, building your safety net while you focus your energy on living your life. The effectiveness of this automation is deeply rooted in behavioral psychology. Human beings suffer from present bias, a cognitive glitch that makes us value immediate rewards far more than future benefits. When you hold cash in your primary checking account, your brain views it as available for immediate consumption. Removing the money from your immediate line of sight bypasses this bias, tricking your brain into operating within the constraints of your newly adjusted balance. Over time, this invisible process triggers a profound mindset shift. You stop viewing yourself as someone who struggles to hold on to money and start identifying as an active builder of wealth. Watching a balance grow steadily, month after month, replaces financial anxiety with a deep sense of capability and control. You realize that wealth accumulation is not reserved for the lucky few, but is the predictable result of consistent, automated systems. That growing balance becomes your primary defense against the silent erosion of purchasing power. Inflation, the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising, constantly threatens the value of stagnant cash. By paying yourself first and directing those funds into strategic vehicles, you position your money to fight back. Your automated contributions can flow directly into investments designed to outpace these rising costs over the long run. This is where foundational investing principles come into play. Instead of letting your savings languish, you can automate transfers into a brokerage account to purchase ETFs. ETFs, or exchange traded funds, are pooled investment vehicles that track a particular index, sector, or commodity, allowing you to buy a basket of different assets in a single transaction. This provides immediate diversification, which is the practice of spreading your investments around so that your exposure to any one type of asset is limited. Once your money is diversified in the market, it begins to harness the immense power of compound interest. Compound interest is the interest on savings calculated on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods. Because you are constantly feeding the system through your automated deposits, your money generates its own earnings, and then those earnings generate even more. The earlier and more consistently you pay yourself, the more explosive this mathematical snowball becomes. Without this proactive system, you leave your financial growth entirely to chance. Relying on leftover scraps at the end of the month means you will never accumulate enough capital to let compounding do its heavy lifting. You miss out on market growth, and your purchasing power slowly degrades. The cost of waiting to save is astronomically higher than the minor lifestyle adjustments required to fund your future first. A common hesitation arises when facing the pressure of outstanding obligations. Many believe they must completely eliminate all balances before they can justify keeping money for themselves. However, pausing your savings entirely to aggressively attack low interest loans can leave you dangerously vulnerable. If an emergency strikes while your bank account is empty, you are forced to borrow again, trapping yourself in a perpetual cycle of borrowing and repayment. Balancing these competing priorities requires a nuanced approach to debt management. You must evaluate the APR, or annual percentage rate, which represents the yearly interest generated by a sum that is charged to borrowers or paid to investors. High interest credit card debt, often carrying an APR above 20%, demands aggressive repayment. Yet, even while attacking these toxic balances, routing a small automated fraction of your income to an emergency fund remains critical. Maintaining this dual approach builds absolute financial resilience. The small cash buffer you build by paying yourself first acts as a shock absorber against life's inevitable surprises, from sudden medical bills to unexpected car repairs. When the transmission blows, you do not have to reach for a high interest credit card. You cover the cost with your own capital, protecting your progress and keeping your debt repayment strategy on track. Building this resilience does not require a massive initial commitment. If a large percentage feels impossible right now, you can start with just 1% of your income. The exact dollar amount matters far less than the establishment of the habit itself. A 1% automated transfer is so small it will barely register in your daily spending, yet it firmly establishes the infrastructure of prioritizing your own financial health. As your comfort level grows, you can systematically increase this contribution rate. Every time you receive a raise, a bonus, or a tax refund, allocate half of that new money directly to your automated savings or investments. You still get to enjoy an upgrade to your lifestyle, but you simultaneously accelerate your wealth building. This gradual escalation prevents lifestyle creep from absorbing your hard earned career progress. This disciplined approach to cash flow naturally spills over into other areas of your financial profile. Because your spending is constrained by the funds remaining after you save, you are far less likely to overextend yourself on revolving credit. Keeping your credit card balances low relative to your limits positively impacts your credit utilization ratio. This disciplined behavior is a major factor in calculating your FICO score, the standard credit score used by most lenders to determine your creditworthiness. A strong credit profile unlocks significant economic advantages. When you eventually apply for a mortgage or an auto loan, top tier credit scores secure the lowest possible interest rates. Over the life of a 30-year mortgage, a slightly lower interest rate can save you tens of thousands of dollars. The simple habit of moving money into savings before spending it indirectly builds the strong financial habits that lenders reward. The benefits extend far beyond optimized credit scores and growing investment portfolios. The constant background anxiety about the future begins to quiet down. You no longer have to worry if you are doing enough to prepare for retirement or unexpected emergencies, because the system you built handles it automatically. This mental clarity frees up immense cognitive bandwidth, allowing you to focus on your career, your family, and your personal growth. You are actively buying your own freedom, one automated transfer at a time. Every dollar you intercept and invest represents a tiny slice of future autonomy. It is the ability to walk away from a toxic job, the freedom to take a sabbatical, or the security to start your own business. Paying yourself first transforms money from a source of stress into a tool for designing the life you actually want to live. It is easy to assume that building this kind of autonomy requires a massive salary or an unexpected windfall. The truth is that consistency over time always beats sporadic, large contributions. The financial landscape is filled with stories of average earners who achieved total independence simply because they ruthlessly prioritized their own savings rate. They did not wait to be wealthy to start saving. They engineered their wealth through relentless early automation. The mechanics of this strategy protect you from your own worst impulses. We are all susceptible to emotional spending, targeted advertising, and the desire to keep up with the lifestyles of our peers. By making your savings invisible and inaccessible, you build a fortress around your future wealth. You can spend whatever is left in your checking account completely guilt free, knowing your primary financial obligations to yourself have already been met. This commitment ripples outward, positively impacting the financial trajectory of your entire family. Children learn about money primarily through observation, internalizing the habits and anxieties of their parents. When they witness a household operating with calm, automated precision rather than end of the month panic, they inherit a profound sense of financial stability. You are modeling a proactive relationship with money that can literally break generational cycles of debt and scarcity. Taking control requires only a few minutes of administrative effort to change your trajectory forever. Log into your payroll portal or your banking app today and establish that first recurring transfer. Choose an amount that feels slightly uncomfortable but completely manageable and direct it into a separate high yield account. Do not wait for the perfect moment or a larger paycheck, because the perfect moment to prioritize your financial security is right now. You work incredibly hard for your income, giving your time and energy to your employer, your landlord, and your service providers. It is time to ensure that you are the very first person who benefits from your labor. By paying yourself first, you are making a non negotiable declaration of your own worth. You are building a permanent foundation of real wealth, unshakable resilience, and lifelong financial clarity.